Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dryer Selector Knob. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new selector knob. The selector knob is what you use to select the options. The main reason you be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you can't change the settings. The selector knob is located on the control panel next to the timer knob. In order to get it off, all you have to do is pull it off the shaft and pull it off the dryer. Here's the old selector knob next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. If yours has a blue protective plastic on it, you just want to pull it off and throw it away. To put the new selector knob on, just want to make sure that the flat is lined up with the shaft. Then you can rotate it over and push it on. Once you have it on, you can plug the dryer back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.